Hi, in the previous class we have discussed shunt clippers. In the shunt clippers we have discussed clipping above the reference voltage and clipping below the reference voltage circuits. In this session we will see series clippers. In series clippers again clipping above the reference voltage. So series clipper is very simple circuit. Let us see what is series clipper. Just draw a diode like this, resistor, and this is the reference voltage VR. So this is the input to the circuit VI of t. So this is the output V0 of t. This is the diode. Why this is called as a series clipper? Because you can see that the diode is in series between input and output. The diode is in series with input and output, so that's why it is called as series clipper. Previously, the diode is in shunt between the input and output. That's why those clippers are called as shunt clippers. Why? Because the diode is in shunt between the input and output. That's why those clippers are called as shunt clippers. But here the diode is in series between the input and output. So that's why this is called as series clipper. So again assume the ideal diode. So what are the characteristics of ideal diode? So the ideal diode, the cut-in voltage is 0. So as you know that when the cut-in voltage is 0, so that means when the input voltage is greater than 0 is applied, the diode immediately turns into on condition. So the forward resistance is equal to 0, and which we have discussed all these things in the first lecture. The reverse resistance is equal to infinity. So we have assumed the ideal diode here in this circuit. Again, the circuit description is divided into three parts. First, operation. Second one is drawing transfer characteristics between the input and output, and what will be the output when sinusoidal input is applied to these circuits. So let us see these points one by one. In the operation, we discuss only two conditions: when the input voltage is less than VR and when the input voltage is greater than VR. So what is the condition of diode when the input voltage is less than VR, and what is the condition of the diode when the input voltage is greater than VR? So based on these conditions, so the diode operation is whether the diode is on or off depends upon when the VI is less than VR or VI is greater than VR. So first let us see the operation of the circuit. Operation of the circuit. As I said earlier, we take only two cases. So when VI is less than VR, when the input voltage is less than VR, you can see from the circuit the diode is already forward biased by VR. The diode is, because the positive terminal, the anode of the diode is connected to positive terminal. So therefore the diode is already forward biased by VR. So therefore when the input voltage is less than VR, as long as the input voltage is less than VR, the diode will be in on condition. The first condition, when VA is less than VR, what is the condition of diode? The diode is in on condition. The diode is in on condition. So as you know that when the diode is in on condition, the ideal diode acts as short circuit. So therefore let us draw the diode or replace the diode by short circuit. So this is the resistor. So this is the reference voltage VR plus or minus VR. So just to draw the circuit. So what is the input here? This is the input. So this is the output. You can clearly see that from the network knowledge. So what is this node voltage? This node voltage is directly, because this node is directly connected to VI. What is this node voltage? VI. The output is directly connected to this node. So therefore what is the output voltage? You can say directly from the network knowledge, V0 is equal to VA. So V0 is equal to VA. Second case, case 2, let us take case 2, case 1 and case 2. When VI is greater than VR. So you can clearly see that from the circuit, when the input voltage is greater than reference voltage, when the input voltage here is greater than reverse VR, reference voltage, so what happens to this diode? The diode is reverse biased, so therefore it acts as open circuit. So that is what we write here. So when VI is greater than VR, the diode is reverse biased. The diode is reverse biased. Therefore, it acts as off. The diode is reverse biased means it is an off condition. So therefore, it acts as open circuit. So let us draw the circuit under this condition. So therefore, the diode acts as open. So this is the resistor and this is the reference voltage in the circuit. So this is the input voltage Vi. So this is the output voltage VR. You can clearly see that the diode is in off condition. So here the diode is in on condition. You mentioned here diode is in on condition. Diode is off means it acts as open switch. You can see that there is no current flowing through this loop because the input is 0. So from the network knowledge, the drop across resistor is 0. So therefore the output voltage is directly equal to VR. So therefore the drop across this resistor is 0. Therefore what is the branch voltage? VR. So therefore the output voltage is directly equal to VR. So let us draw the transfer characteristics based on these two, case 1 and case 2. Let us draw the transfer characteristic equations. That is the second part as we have done in the shunt clipper, similar to that. So therefore transfer characteristics, it is also given in the syllabus, transfer characteristics of clippers, transfer characteristics. So as I said earlier, transfer characteristics are the characteristics between input and output. So therefore what is the output? Let us see. The output is equal to Vi. So when this happens, when Vi is less than VR, when the input voltage is less than VR, so V0 is equal to Vi, and the output voltage is equal to VR when Vi is greater than VR. So just to mention the input output relations, so that is called as transfer characteristics. Based on these mathematical equations, let us draw the graph between V0 and Va. So that is called as transfer characteristics graph, and a very, very important topic. So therefore, similar to the previous shunt clippers, so let us take this one as the input voltage. So let us take this as the output voltage. So somewhere you locate the reference voltage VR. The reference voltage VR. So just mention the dotted lines there. So when the input voltage is less than VR, so that means till this point, so the diode is in on condition. So therefore what is the equation of straight line? V0 is equal to Vi. So therefore you have to draw a straight line like this. So therefore at Vi is equal to VR, the output voltage is equal to VR. So therefore draw a straight line like this. So therefore when the input voltage is greater than VR from this relation, so what is the output equation? The output voltage is VR. Just to draw a straight line. So what is the equation of this line? So the equation of this line is V0 is equal to Vi. Linear relationship, V0 is equal to Vi. So what is the slope of this line? The slope of this line is 1. So mention just the conditions of the diodes. So in this region, so because V0 is equal to Vi, so this region is called as transmission region. Why? Because V0 is equal to Vi, that's why this region is called as transmission region. So this region is called as clipping region. Mention the conditions of the diodes. So in the transmission region, that means during this region when Va is less than VR, so the diode is in on condition here. Here during this region, in the operation of the circuit, the diode is in off condition during this region. Now, so let us see. So therefore just I have drawn this graph based on this mathematical equations, very simple. So now last one, when sinusoidal input is applied to the circuit, when sinusoidal input is applied to the circuit. So which portion of the waveform is going to be clipped. So that is another important point. So first let us take the sine wave. So this is the input which we have applied to our circuit. So this is the sine wave which we have applied to the circuit dotted line. So locate VR. From the circuit, as long as the input voltage is less than VR, V0 is equal to Vi. You can clearly see the how equations. V0 is equal to Vi. So when Vi is greater than VR, so that means when the input is greater than VR, the output is VR. Again, when the input is less than VR, V0 is equal to Vi. So that means the output follows the input. V0 is equal to Vi. Again, when the input is greater than VR, when the input is greater than VR, the output voltage is VR. Like that, this graph comes. So you can clearly see that. So the portion of the waveform above this reference voltage is clipped. So this is removed. This portion is removed. So this portion is removed. This portion is removed. Since the portion of the waveform above the reference voltage is removed, that's why this clipping is called as, this type of clipping is called as clipping above the reference voltage. Very simple operation, series clipper.